Good evening. I went and got a Walmart call today. My grandson's come to spend 2 weeks with me. I got some hamburger buns. I got some whole milk. And I got some orange juice. And he wanted some V8 juice. And he's already drank some of the milk. He has to have 1% milk. Okay. I got a bag of potatoes, a bag of apples, and a bag of onions. And I got a loaf of bread. And I've got a recipe. I'm going to make sausage rolls for July the 4th. That goes in the recipe. And I got some frozen sausage, and I got 4 baked potatoes. I got some lettuce, and I got some, ground chuck. And there's my sausage to make my sausage balls. And I needed some bacon. And I got sour cream to go on my baked potatoes. I got 4 cans of biscuits here, but I bought 8, so I left 4 of them in the refrigerator. Okay, got tomatoes, and I reckon that's all. And we got a pack of cookies, but my grandson not afford to eat them. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching, and y'all hope you have a happy July the 4th. Thank you. You have a good day.